The weirdest part about living in this society is that everyone expects to live off my life for free. They expect to gain my power through whatever device or sacrifice they have to make in order to use my powers. And then they want to take all the money that had been saved up for me and pretend to be me and steal my identity so that they get my money, and everyone's out to kill me and be against me even though I'm the only one doing work and making money. Because they're a bunch of hypocrites who expect to get something for free, doing absolutely nothing worthwhile of their time other than soaking up and killing God all day. Yes, it does happen. Yes, you are a pig for watching it happen. And I really thought it would be the worst thing if anyone ended up with my powers that was in any terms haywire or selfish or negative. Because it's a learning aspect that you commit yourself to once you start using my powers. It's the reality of the fact that y'all think you can keep me working on a basic budget for me to keep this whole act up. But I do it for causes bigger than you. And for people bigger than you. So it's the most ironic thing that I have worked out for people to reflect in this world positively upon their lives. I've concocted many ideas that have set people completely afloat back to the positive aspect of their life, their imagination, and their dreams. And I do it with my intelligence and my basic knowledge of chemistry. But when you tell me that I can't help the people that I intended to help because there are so many motherfuckers manifesting and hoping to eat me to gain some sort of magical essence or power. No, I will not think for your life, and that's what you expect me to do. You expect me to enact my life in your life. And I only enact my life in my life. So however people got a hold of all my powers is the reason why I won't be creating any of the good chemicals that I used to create that hired your endorphins. I didn't figure out my life to the completion where you think that there's a whole slice of me ready for you to be grubbing on. That's for damn sure. I reached my most potent speed and my most potent length and my most potent capability of any subject or matter, and then I move on. I'm not here to babysit your ass. But y'all acting like that's my job, is to babysit your ass while you take all my money and my powers. I should be beating the fuck out of all of you. But not everybody considers me a total piece of shit, and I do have followers and fans that will cause me to believe much higher of myself than these mongrels, and it's enough for me. I got a badass team full of badass bitches that aren't hoes except for the dough. They'll shake their booty if it truly gets them in the mood to see. And hoochies obviously got something to show. I don't blame them for wanting to be seen, but it's just when you come across people that breed your DNA throughout every stem of their life that it starts to get motherfucking creepy up in here. Because I know damn well I'm not everybody. No one would give me that much power. Unless it was to fucking end myself and kill myself. Because they want to end up with my power. There's always got to be something in it for someone, or it's not worth their damn time. And I already know what I put in it and my hard work is. And if I don't receive righteous care, then I'll know that you're all full of blasphemy. Ain't no one want to be eaten alive by some beast who only wants to eat God for dinner every fucking day. Because he's so fucking magical. But I have to deal with a lot of bullshit